Okay, so let's continue with the subject 2. So it's the same principle that we use for subject 1. So it is equal to, then I look for subject 2 first term. So I go to TR1 and I go through to subject 2. So we only pick the 100. I hit enter. So that is Q2. So it means the rest should be in that particular format. So it is equal to subject 2 second term. So then I move on to subject 2 second term. I hit. Good. So if you check, we have TR1 Q2, TR2 Q2. So obviously the next should be TR3 Q2. So it is equal to, we go to subject 2 for third term. Then I proceed to look at subject 2 for third term. Do a double click. Then I'll go to subject 2 for fourth term. So I then I move to subject 2 for fourth term, which is this. Then I'll do double click, subject 2 for fifth term, subject 2 for fifth term. So that is that. Then you go to subject 2 for sixth term. So come to sixth term, subject 2 for sixth term. Okay, subject 2, which is for sixth term. So this subject 2, this is for the sixth term. I hit enter. Then you do double click. Then I proceed to subject 2 for seventh term. So come to subject 2 for seventh term. I'll hit enter. Do a double click. Subject 2 for eighth term. So subject 2 for eighth term. I'll hit enter. Then subject 2 for ninth term will be we referencing it to this particular worksheet. So subject 2 for ninth term, which is this. So that is as simple as that. So if you want to double check for subject 2, you can see TR1, Q2 from the formula bar. I move TR2, TR3, TR4, TR5, TR6, TR7, TR8, then TR9 will be referenced to its own worksheet. So we do the same for subject 3, first term. So I'll go to first term. Then I locate subject 3 is 100. So that's W2. So obviously the rest will be W2, but there will be a change in the worksheet name, TR2. So you go to the third term, third subject, sorry, which is this. And I hit enter. Do the autofill. I'll do subject 3, which is the third term. Then I move on to subject 3's third term. So you're only picking the hundreds. That's what we need for our cumulative record. Then we do subject 3 for fourth term. So I'll go to fourth term. So it's fairly straightforward. So subject 3. So we pick the 100 for subject 3. This is it. Fourth term. Then subject 3's fifth term. So I move subject 3's fifth term, which is this. Then I move to subject 3's sixth term. Subject 3's sixth term. which is this. Okay, W2. Then I move on to subject 3, 7th term. Subject 3, 7th term, which is this. So still W2, subject 3's 8th term. So I'll go to subject 3's 8th term. Subject 3's 8th term, which is this. Good. So that pretty much solves it. Then we go to subject 3's 9th term. So the 9th term will be reference to this particular worksheet, sorry. Subject 3's 9th term, which is this W2. So there is some consistency in what we are doing. So in order not to make it too tedious, look at this. So this is TR1, it is reference to W2. So the only thing that changes is the TR. You see, TR, TR, then TR4, TR5, TR6. So you just check from there. Formula bar, you see you move TR7, W2, TR8, W2, but TR9 will be reference to its own worksheet. So what we do is we just do it for one, we copy, then we change it from the formula bar to make it simple for us. So we go to subject 4 first term, so I'll hit sub 4 first term, then I'll go to TR1, then I'll locate sub 4. So now this is reference to what? EC2, so the rest will be TR2, EC2, TR3 in that particular order. Good. So I'll just copy this, then I'll just paste. So doing that, copying it like this and pasting will automatically jump the formula. So what we need to actually do is to come in here, Control C to copy this. We move on to the next, Control V to paste. Then we go again, Control V to paste. Then we skip Control V to paste, Control V to paste, Control V to paste. We skip the average, Control V to paste, Control V to paste, Control V to paste. But since we are referring to its own, we just change this to just AC2, like that. Then we double click. So this is what for TR8. So you just come in here, change this to 8 so that you don't keep going back and forth. Then you change this to what? 7. So you need to find a way of working smart. So we just maintain, this is the average formula. Okay. So this is for TR4, which is for the set term. So we change this to 6. You do a double click. Then you change this to 5. Then you do the autofill double click. You come in here, you change this to 4 because we are dealing with the 4th term. Then you change this to 3rd term. Good. Then you change this to 2nd term, like that. Then this is TR1. Good. So just to double check, TR1, TR2, TR3, TR4, 5, 6, and go to 7, 8. So 9 is referencing it to its sheet. So that's why you don't see TR9. Okay, so we do the same for sub 5. So it is equal to sub 5. So I come to TR1, then I look for subject 5. So where's my sub 500, which is this. So now we are now dealing with AI2, AI, column AI, row 2, TR1. Then I'll just hit enter. So once that is done, I go into my formula bar, highlight, copy, I hit my tab, then I do what? I paste the formula. Good. Paste, Control V to paste, Control V to paste. So I use my right arrow key to move one step, Control V to paste, Control V to paste, Control plus V to paste. Then this is for sub 9, Control V to paste. So if it's for the 9th term, you just remove the cell reference like this because it's referring to its own cell. Okay, so I need to remove the exclamation. I hit enter and that solves it. So what do? I come in here. So this is for what? 8. So I just need to change this to 8. I'll do my double click. Then I change this to 7. I'll hit enter. I'll do my double click. Okay, this is already done. Then I change this to 6. I'll hit enter. I'll do my double click. I change this to 5. I enter, double click. I change this to 4. So I'll just do the double click. I'll come in, I'll change this to 3. I'll hit enter. Do my double click for the autofill. I change this to 2. Then I'll hit enter, do my double click. And this is TR1. So just to be sure, so TR1, AI2, so TR2, TR3, I have my average, TR4, TR5, TR6, average TR7, TR8, then we have 9, which is AI2, good. Then we do for subject 6, so it is equal to, I come to TR1, then I locate subject 6. So subject 600, the 100 for subject 6 is here, so that is TR1AO2. I'll hit enter. Then I'll come and select it from the formula bar, Control C to copy. Then I'll come and click, escape, Control V to paste. Good. So TR1 is repeating itself. Control V to paste. Then I go again. Paste, Control V, Control V, Control V, Control V, Control V. Then the last one is the 9th. So for the 9th, we are referring it to its own worksheet. So we remove this TR from it. So I'll come back. So this is TR1, that is fine. Then I'll come and change this to a TR2. I'll hit enter. I'll do this. Then I come and change this to TR3. Hit enter. Do my double click. Then I come and change this to TR4. TR4, good. Hit enter. Do my autofill, TR5. Then I'll hit enter. Do my autofill. So I use the last number -6 to help me know that is for terminal report 6. Then I'll do my autofill. Come and do same for the 7. I'll hit enter. Do my autofill. Then I'll do it for 8. I'll hit enter. Do my autofill. The 9 is referencing it to its own cell, so there's no need for us to bring TR. If you do that, you get it wrong. Do the double click, then it fills up. So let's do for subject 7. So it is equal to, I go to TR1, and I move to subject 7, 100. So that is AU2, perfect. So TR1 AU2, so as usual, you copy. Then you click outside of it. Good, you click Control V to paste, Control V to paste. So you do that for the remaining. Good. So once that is done, then I come to TR1. So this is okay. Then I'll just change this to 2. So it's the same principle, same process. Then we do 3, do the double click. Then you do what? 4, you do the double click. Then you do 5, you do the double click. Then you do 6, you do the double click. Then you do 7, you do the double click. Come and do 8, you do the double click. For 9, you just remove 8 because you're working on terminal report 9. Then you just do the double click like that. So it is as simple as that. We do that for 8 is equal to, we go to TR1 and we look for the 100% for the 8 subject. Good. So as usual, this is BA2, Control C to copy. Now come and click, Control V to paste, Control V to paste, right arrow, Control V to paste, right, Control V to paste, right arrow, Control V to paste, right arrow, Control V to paste, Control V to paste, Control V to paste. So I come back. So this is obviously TR1, so you will maintain it. Then we come and change this to 2, like this. We do the third one. And we come and do the fourth. And then we move on to look at the fifth. And we continue to look at the sixth. Then we look at 7. Then we look at 8. And we proceed to look at 9. So the ninth is referencing it to it on worksheet. So we remove everything, hit enter. So there is some level of what consistency. So if you look at subject 8, we have TR1, TR2, TR3, TR4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Then you go to subject 9. So this is equal to, then you go to TR1. We look for subject 9. So subject 9 is 100. Then we come into a formula bar, highlight, Control C to copy. We click to deselect. Then we come and click in here, Control V to paste, right arrow key, Control V to paste, Control V to paste, right arrow, Control V, right arrow, Control V, right arrow, Control V, right arrow, then Control V, right arrow, Control V, right arrow. Good. So this is 1. So I just do my double click, and I change this to 2. I hit my tab, do my double click, change this to 3, hit enter, go back up, do my double click, and I go to 4, hit enter, and I go do my autofill. Then I'll come to 5, hit enter, do my double click, and I look at 6, hit enter, do my double click, can I look at 7, hit enter, do my double click, I'm gonna look at 8, hit enter, to my double click, then the 9, as usual, remove whatever is there because you're referring to it on worksheet. So when you finish, you need to make sure everything is in its proper context. So subject 9 first term is here, so TR1, TR2, TR3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. That's it. So let's look at 10. So I come to TR1, then subject 10 is 100%. Good. So subject 10, we do a double click. Good. Then I come in here, highlight, Control C to copy. I click behind it to deselect. Then I come and click on this. Control V to paste. Control V to paste. Control V to paste. 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 Control V. Control V. Then I come to my 9. Good. So this is TR1. So obviously this becomes TR2. Then I move to TR3. So let me do my autofill. Autofill. And I go to TR4. Move to TR5. I move to TR6. So 4 I do my autofill, 5 I do my autofill, 6 I do my autofill, then TR7 do my autofill, TR8 I'll do my autofill, then TR9. So since it's the 9th term, you remove any reference to a worksheet because you are referring to its own worksheet. Okay, so that's for subject 10. Good. Then we come and do same for subject 11. So it is equal to, we go to TR1. Then we look at subject 11. Okay, subject 11 is BS. So you highlight, Control C to copy, Control V to paste, 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 then I paste for the 11th subject. So this is obviously TR1, so I'll do my double click, then I'll come and do change this to TR2 term, make this TR3, I'll hit my enter, come back, TR2, do the double click for the autofill. As it changes into a cross, you double click, that is bottom right corner, then you come and change this to 4. So this one makes it a little bit faster than you going back to click on each individual worksheet to make reference to. Okay, enter. So this is my 4, come to 5, and I'll proceed to what, 6. Then I'll look at what, 7. So 7 is like this. Good. Then I'll do what, 8. And I'll proceed to do that of what, 9. Oh no, so 9 is the last one, which is this particular worksheet. So I'll just have to delete this, hit enter, and that solves it. So we finished with our cumulative record. So what we need to do is to refer all the cumulative record to the terminal report 9, and that should solve the problem at hand. So we are just developing solutions for schools at reduced cost. So this is where the cumulative record starts. So I'll hit it is equal to, then I come to terminal report 9, and I'll go to subject 1 like this. CM. So where's my subject 1? Subject 1, subject 1. Okay, so subject 1 starts from here. Then I'll hit enter. Good. So once I do that, I'll just drag through to the last subject. See how easy it is? So it refers from terminal reports. Now I'll do a double click. Okay, so I have to take it down to the last student. So this is my last student. Then I leave it. Automatically it fills up. Then I'll go do the same for TR2. So we'll go through TR2, cumulative record. So I'll just go this way, delete whatever I've done here. Not delete per se, okay. So it's equal to, and I go to TR9 like this. Then we'll try another alternative. So I'll click on TR2, so that is selected. Sorry, TR9 to refer. Then I have to drag through to the last. Then I do the same to the last student. Okay, so I stop here. So that's 500 students in a year group. Go to TR3. So for the first subject, come to my TR9, hit for my first subject, and go through like that to the last subject. Then I have to drag through and get to the last student. So it is as simple as that. And I go to TR4, Control right arrow key to quickly get there. Come to TR9 again. I'll click on CM sample 1 and I'll just repeat those same steps. So this is how you get things done. So just scroll down the list. That's it. Then I'll do for TR5. So I click on it, control right arrow. Then once I get here, it is equal to on the keyboard, click on TR9. You're picking all the values from here. Then what do I do? Repeating the same process. Yeah. Then I drag down. So that is solved. Go to TR6, click Control right. It is equal to, I go to TR9, click on this tab. So start from CP2, go through to the last. Then to go through to the last student. So that pretty much solves this. Then I'll go to TR7, Control right. This is equal to, and I come to TR9, select, hit enter, then pretty much go through at a faster pace to the last subject. Then I'll do the autofill down again to the last student. Then I proceed to our last terminal report. So it is equal to, then I hit on my TR9, CM subject 1, good. Then I proceed to the last bit of it. Then I hold and drag down. Like that. Yes, so that pretty much solves our terminal report and cumulative record worksheet. So I want you to work on it, then come back for another lesson. Thank you very much, and God bless. So how many minutes have we done? 30 minutes, so that is okay. So I'm going to pause it.